Let us prepare a simple, easy and quick non-sticky Sabudana Khichdi.
Okay. Subscribe for more videos.
சமைக்க ஆரம்பிக்கலாமா? In a frying pan, add 3 teaspoons of oil, 1 tablespoon mustard seeds. Once it splutters, add 1 teaspoon of chana dal, 1 teaspoon jeera. Saute this well. Once fried and golden, add 1 chopped onion, some curry leaves and green chilies. Fry this well. Add half a tablespoon of turmeric powder and salt as per taste. Once fried, add some pre-boiled potatoes or fried potato cubes. Mix this well. Add 250 grams of sabudana. Sabudana has to be soaked overnight at least for 8 hours. Drain it well before you add it to the frying pan. Mix it well. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Open and saute now and then. By doing this, you will find your sabudana becoming soft and mushy. This is an indication that your sabudana is getting cooked well. After 5 to 7 minutes of cooking, add 2 tablespoons of ground peanut powder. Adding peanut powder avoids the khichdi from becoming sticky. Mix this well. Garnish it with some coriander leaves. Top it with a teaspoon of lemon juice and mix it well. Your perfect non-sticky Sabudana Khichdi is ready. Chamail ready.
Hit the like button, click the bell icon, subscribe for more videos.